Welcome to your pranayama practice or guided breath work. Prana means life force, yama means restraint. So this is kind of control and manipulation of the breath. And whenever you are able to control your breathing, this helps to kind of stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for your fight, uh, fight or flight response, rather. So as you notice the breath, you become more aware of it. The body starts to respond accordingly with a sense of feeling safe or a little more relaxed, like you are able to let go of whatever is kind of weighing you down a bit. So we'll go through two practices. One is viloma pranayama, and then another one is an uneven 3-part breath where you'll inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 5, exhale for a count of 6. So as we get started, you can either find a tall, comfortable seat or lay down. Just make sure that your airways aren't really restricted and it's easy for you to breathe. If you are laying down, I personally like to place one hand on my belly just so I can feel the breath moving in and out. But if you are sitting up, it might be helpful to put both hands by your rib cage just so you feel the rib cage expand and contract. So go ahead and organize yourself however feels comfortable, and we'll get started. So feel free to close your eyes or allow the gaze to soften or keep them open. And we'll start off with 3 rounds of cleansing breaths. And to start, take a deep exhale. 3 rounds, deep inhale. Smooth exhale. 2 more, deep inhale. Smooth exhale. 1 more, big inhale. Smooth exhale. Just continue to keep the breath steady. And just feel the natural rise and fall of your belly with your breath, the expansion and contraction, widening, the shortening of your rib cage. So we'll start off with viloma pranayama. This is actually also a 3-part breath, so I want you to visualize 3 parts. So you'll fill up for the first third, hold, fill up for the second third, hold, fill up for the final third, hold, and then take 1 deep, long exhale. So as you're ready, inhale for the first third, hold, inhale for the second third, hold, fill it all the way up towards the brim, hold, deep, long exhale, inhale, fill it up, hold, second, third, hold, all the way to the top, hold, deep, long exhale, inhale, fill it up, hold, fill it up, hold, all the way to the top, hold, deep, long exhale, inhale for 3, 2, 1, hold, inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold, inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold, deep, long exhale, inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold, Inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold. Deep, long exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Deep, long exhale. Last time. Inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale, 3, 2, 1, hold. Smooth, long exhale. Now return back to your natural cadence of breath. And just take a few moments, just notice how you feel. Notice how tall you're sitting, or if you're reclined, how heavy the entire body feels. What is it that you are feeling in this current moment in time? Whatever that might be, just notice. We'll begin to move to our alternate 3-part breath. So like I mentioned before, it'll be an inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 5, exhale to a count of 6. So kind of a variation on box breathing, but we only have 3 sides. So as you are ready, take a deep inhale, fill it up for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more times. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So begin to take smoother, deeper breaths as you return back to your natural rhythm of breathing. Once more, just acknowledge whatever you are feeling, any thoughts that are arising. Just continue to focus on the breath, noticing what it is that you're noticing. Just take a moment, acknowledge the effort that it took to come, to just be still for a few moments out of your day. Just to allow the breath to course through every single cell of your body. And just to take this time to reset. Thank you for joining me this morning, or whatever time you are in. Have a great rest of your day. See you again soon.